Didn't dispute that. Same here. Same here. Episode 84. With an E, some sword, no animal, it doesn't matter. Can I use a 10 with design of your opinion? Is that the absolute doesn't matter? Sorry, Rain, this is my thoughts for you. Okay. The Dusky invited you to go ahead to help me up here in Tinsley, Tennessee, all in the same city. You were telling her, anyway, the teacher is saying because you end up being able to time with you by yourself. No, it's just don't know, just, you unbelieved it. Man, that deserves a sense. Map, I explained to go anywhere. Someone did it just some certain how did it? We end up there. Much spends for party. That's what I'm doing myself. Interestingly, why the husband that happens. And what reasons for so there it's kind of fun. Anyways, everything was back. As I have advice on them. It's not a party. You know, what's this too much party? What is what the first of base method? And whereas is plant and part base method. Progress basis part of more zones. Made for this necessary episode. Whites, sandwiches, and situations roof. So the hardware status I noticed from the YouTuber and even artist Patapon. Is the wise as a weapon. And say, oh no, wait, that's silver something. It's unknown whether or not he is as more or less double as the sound hesitates. Double in this hypnosis space I gave him the down the title of Double 2.0. So young William sudden very finger but not a dark metal for some reason. Anyway, the first no amatism. That's what we watch. It's not what it was. Not what to say here. Here's up to it. Why are we doing this now? So where? Even table with that stuff. Sweet now, I'm just way more insane. No, I see why we're doing this now. Right, how did I not? What is it? We might have been too late. But anyway, I went down to one part or so. But it seems I've suddenly to one of the why the point out part. The Puro is now below being the Puro. And the Puro trying to search his face as the Puro trying to. So as the sun is preparing for studying better than the way it is. So what do you do? I don't know. He figure out what he is doing. Is he telling him to be being true as to where he's going? He's trying to join his own rounds. That's been an overboard but you're curious about not letting people know your plans. So let's his own rounds and find out what he's doing. That's didn't agree with. These are Some natives on the sowing grounds and with the eve heads inside that we need. No, I'm all. Then that's also new seeing myself and my friends going to an area that's around most of the sowing grounds that we want to noise with foundation. Or that to see we find the one of the science. Here's that will be the next episode or Puro, Wit, and Survival. Good night, fellow channel members. You enjoyed the end screen.